Congratulations on making it this far into the course. If you had followed this course in sequence, lesson by lesson, and built out all the projects we built out together on your own, at this point, you can now say that yes, you can be able to build AI systems, AI agents, and automations using no code and connect a front end to them, making you becoming a full stack agentic AI and automation developer using no code tools. Congratulations once again. Now, we are going to be talking about the business of AI and automation. A skill and knowledge is not complete without knowing how to apply them in the real world, either as a business, as a career, depending on what you want to do with this lesson or with this knowledge that you have acquired. That is why this lesson and more is dedicated solely to understanding how you can translate your knowledge into career transitions, into businesses, and put your knowledge to use. First, we're going to be discussing about careers in AI, particularly careers based on what you have just studied. If you search on the internet looking for AI developers or AI agent builders, you're going to see a whole lot of them. But for those particularly concerned on what you have learned based on this course, you can choose to be an AI builder. What does that mean? Let's take a step and go to LinkedIn. Let's take a step and go to a job board and search for AI builder and see what we're going to see. So we're going to go to Startup Jobs, which is one of the popular platforms you can find technology roles in technology startups. So we're going to type AI builder and see what pops up. So we have AI solutions builder. Perfect. That suits. We have AI automation builder. That's correct. No code contracts. We also have AI product builder, product manager, basically the same. We have AI agent launchpad and all of that. So if you go to AI builder, you can see that this is a role 12 months contract in the UK full-time hybrid. And over here, AI automation builder, no code. We also have this as well. So you see that there's opportunity for you in this field. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the requirements. And here says, as part of a team, your responsibility would be to deliver and deploy automations and AI agent across key workflows. Fantastic. So you're going to select the best no-code platforms you can use. And down here, we have init-n. Fantastic. So you see REST APIs, webhook. We discussed about webhook earlier, and JSON and that as well. So if you follow through the guide and read the manuals we had for the lesson notes, you should be able to attempt to apply for this. That's fantastic, honestly. And you can make it see how you can enroll in this. Contracts for 3 months, actually brilliant. So that is that for AI builder. The next is AI automation consultant. Now, this role is for those who want to be facing to businesses, like B2B consultants. In other words, you're going to be helping businesses use AI. So a lot of SMEs, businesses are looking to use AI, but don't know how to go about it. You can help them use AI. You can help them automate their sales, automate their marketing, automate their operations based on what you've learned. So you can become an automation consultant helping businesses use AI in their business. The other role is AI agent developer for no code. Let's go back to setup and see if we can find this role. So we have AI agents developer. We have a lot of AI agent developer. Fantastic. So we have AI agent developer, lead, developer. Although most of these roles are for code, but you can find a no code role as well. You just have to keep searching. Similar to what we had earlier, we said to automation builder, no code. So you look at each of these description, you can be able to find out which of them is code or no code, and then begin to implement them. Yes, you can also look out for any other platforms We'll also share in this particular lesson notes places you can be able to find roles and job as an AI agent developer for no-code platforms using no-code tools. The other roles that you can decide to be in is prompt engineering. Now, throughout this course, we've said that a good prompt makes a good agent. So without a good prompt, the agent is going to be bad. So to be able to have good prompts means you have to be a good prompt engineer. A prompt engineering basically means someone who can write better prompts to LLMs. So how can you write English words that help LLMs perform a task? That's prompt engineering. It's English language in a whole lot of new form. So we can search for roles here as well and say prompt engineer. We have a lot of them. We have prompt engineer as well. Let's take out the description. Prompt engineer as well. Okay. Define and refine client-specific prompt, ensuring accuracy. Define to description for agentic frameworks to enhance AI interactions. Similar to what we did earlier. So English language, telling it what to do. We also have this. Build and instead refine prompts for AI tasks like classification, extraction, basically all saying the same thing. Unique behavior. So how can you curtail, prompts that AI can be able to perform its tasks well? You can see the salary over here, but the point is that you can also strive to be this. So you do not have to be all these things at the same time. Decide what you want to do, which of them interests you, and of course, always practice. We are done with this course, fantastic, but please practice. Always practice. We're going to be having webinars, workshops, also going to be updating this course, and you have access to this course for a lifetime. So you can always come back and check new courses, new lessons, and use it as well. So these are the careers you can begin to dive into based on what you've studied in this course.